So we are currently around Lake Arenal, La Laguna. You can kind of get a view out that window over there. We are, you know, adventuring it up. We got the hammock, we got some, you know, ruffles.
There's a place not too
We got this car, it won't get out of our way.
Used to go and
But it's a great
play as
day.
kid.
A great day to be alive.
Place covered with trees, with a winding stream running cool and clear. Still remember taking off my shoes, wading that creek and catching toads, looking for crawdads and water dogs, wondering what life was all about. Don't you wish that life was simple again, the way it used to be way back when? I wanna go back to my special place, wade in the creek and roll in the grass, 'cause I am still just a child at heart. How about you? I still remember one particular winter. It snowed all night and I couldn't leave. It got very cold, but I didn't mind. I walked through the snow and in the forest all day.